Hi, I'm Jay, and this is a Trion bypass style humidifier. Now, one of the questions we get every year is, why won't the water shut off to my humidifier? So right now, there's water trickling down the drain, and if you turn off the humidistat and turn the power off to the furnace and water still continues to run, there's one more thing you can try, okay? And that is to disconnect one of these wires. So we're going to disconnect one of the wires to the solenoid valve. Now that should turn off electricity to the valve for sure, okay? And this water should stop trickling after a minute or two. Okay, I've taken the cover off of our humidifier, and as you can see, water is still trickling down the drain. The wires are still disconnected, and apparently water is still passing through this solenoid valve. Well, you have a bad solenoid valve, it's stuck open. So then all you have to do is replace the valve. Thanks for watching. For additional help or questions, feel free to contact us.